In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Instapage with HubSpot. First, we'll connect HubSpot at the workspace level, so you only have to do it once. In your Instapage dashboard, open Workspace Settings and select Integrations. In the list of available services, find HubSpot and click Continue to HubSpot. You'll be taken to HubSpot to log in and authorize the connection. Choose the HubSpot account you want to use and grant permission. That's it for the one-time setup. Once your Instapage workspace is connected to HubSpot, you can reuse that connection on any landing page in the workspace without repeating these steps. Next, let's tie a specific landing page to HubSpot. In your Instapage dashboard, go to your landing pages list and click on the page name itself, not the Edit button. A slide-out menu will appear on the right. From there, click Integrations, then choose HubSpot. This is where you control how form submissions from this page will be sent into your HubSpot account. You'll see an option to map your Instapage form fields to HubSpot contact properties. Take a moment here. Accurate mapping ensures your leads appear in the right place with the right details. Make sure your email field is mapped to the HubSpot email property, since HubSpot uses it as the unique identifier for contacts. Then match other fields, like first name and last name, to their corresponding HubSpot properties. If you're using custom fields, match them to the appropriate custom properties in HubSpot so your data stays organized. Keep an eye on data types too. Map checkboxes to Boolean properties and dates to date properties where possible to maintain clean records. When your mapping looks good, click Finish or Continue to confirm. Back in Instapage, save and publish your landing page to make the integration live. Publishing is important because it pushes your latest mapping out to the live version of the page. From this point forward, new submissions on that page will flow into HubSpot and either create a new contact or update an existing one based on the email address. If you ever adjust your field mapping later, remember to republish so the changes take effect. That's the full process. Connect HubSpot once at the workspace level, open your landing page's slide-out menu, link the page to HubSpot, map your fields carefully, then finish, save, and publish. Follow these steps and your Instapage forms will feed clean, usable data straight into HubSpot, ready for your lists, workflows, and reporting.